So by default, when something is being uploaded in Terabox, it gets uploaded with maximum amount of speed that is possible. But if you want to go ahead and limit the bandwidth of upload and download so that your internet bandwidth is saved, then what you can actually do is go around over here onto Terabox right here and go to settings. Alternatively, you can also go around over here onto your taskbar and then right click on the Terabox icon right here and then go to settings from over here. So now over here you can see that I'm in transfer, and then if I were to scroll down, you can see that the download and upload speed is set to unlimited speed. But I can go around over here and then set the download and upload limit as you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say for download, I want to use 400 kilobytes per second. So it's capital B, so it's kilobytes, as you can see. And for upload, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and use 2000 kilobits right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and set the speed right here, just like this, and that's it. So now whenever you go ahead and upload and or download, then it'll use this particular transfer speed that is set in Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.